we're gonna try out a new baler to see if it's really worth upgrading from that. So I got this one hitched up. It's pretty nice. I had to set all this up, but that's no big deal. Not too much different than the 644 in the wiring. But one thing is nice about this is you can hold another roll of net wrap. You can put one up here, plus this one, and one in the back. So that's pretty nice. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's a lot of plastic. Pretty similar. I don't know how I feel about the yellow though. Kind of partial to red. I hope they don't go all yellow. That's for sure. But it's got a better feed system than that 644. That should make it a lot faster. Baling, I'm hoping, that's what I'm really trying to see here, is if it's faster to bale. Is that, it's not terrible, that 644, but you can only bale about 5 mile an hour, 6. Otherwise the stuffer can't keep up. Now this is what the new one looks like versus this here. Oh, yesterday or the day before, I don't know which day, I put all new chains on here. So this one should be running like a top now. Yeah, it's all new. I didn't film any of it because it'd be pretty boring watching me cut chains for like 4 hours. So I put new chains in the pickup, all new chains everywhere else. Runs a lot quieter now. Them chains were shot. They were, whoever had this baler before kind of skimped on the chains. They bought some cheap ones that just weren't real good. These are all diamond. They're not cheap, but should be good to go. Anyway, we got these ones hitched up, the 6400 and the 644, and we put the new baler on the 7130. Try it out here in just a little bit, but we got some sprinkle this morning, so we're set back a little bit, and we'll probably get going in about an hour, I'm thinking. But yeah, this is it. It's got a different bale ramp than that one. Can open up this side, maybe. Yeah. If you want to look at a new Holland roll belt 450, this is a walk around of it. Net wrap feeding system in there. Whatever you want to look at here, you can pause it. Got some heavy chains for about everything. That's a real heavy one. A feeding system. It's kind of new to me. I don't have anything this new. I have small square balers, but yeah. We got about 75 acres to bale today. And we spent all day yesterday raking. I raked quite a bit, and then Dylan came in and raked. He raked at night. And then the neighbors have, I don't know how much, maybe 25 acres that they raked for me. So we should be good to go, hopefully. And with both of these balers, we can get that probably baled in a day, I'm hoping. You guys are bouncing around, sorry about that. But I got this baler going. Got all the kinks worked out for a new baler. But this thing will flat out eat some hay. That's the fastest I've ever baled. We're going 8 mile an hour. And I could go faster, but this field's kind of rough. And this thing will flat out eat hay. These windrows aren't real big, and I got another field that I'm going to try this on next. Another field I'm going to try this out on next. It's got some hefty windrows. This is a very tempting demo, because I'm just amazed. Even going through when I did have some big windrows, it just ate them up as fast as you want to go. Which, compared to running that 644, that's a good baler. But this thing will, it's amazing how much it can take. I've already made, I don't know, 20 bales. And I've only been at it for, 40 minutes, maybe probably not that long, half an hour. So this thing is nice, very, very tempting. Although it is like a little ticking noise. I don't know if it's the teeth hitting the wind guard, the pickup teeth. It's slightly annoying. And I've got out and looked and I don't see nothing. Other than that little minor inconvenience, this is very tempting. Very tempting. Well, we just got up here to this farm up by Blissfield, and this should be a decent test for this baler. Them windrows are pretty big. We'll see what she can eat. But yeah, here's the monitor. Never mind this plastic, you probably can't see much of that on there. Our bale count, we made 50 bales. I don't know how you set that. A, B, enter. Oh, wait a second. Okay, so A, so B, okay, I think I got this now. Okay. Oh, shit. Alright, so we're got on B. Now we will get baling. We'll see how she eats these windrows. I still can't tell what that ticking is. I just got out and checked again. Quite a windrow. And it's gobbling it up. I think I'm definitely gonna need more net wrap though. Did not go very far before that thing was full. Yeah, that's a pretty good windrow, and they're all about that size. So this would be a nice test for it. But she is eating. I don't know what I do here. This corner ends up messed up every time. Doesn't take long at all to get a full bale. I think I gotta slow down my hydraulics as well, because that tailgate just flies way up fast. Oh yeah, there's the color packer I hit with the mower. Not fun. This demo was probably a bad idea, because now I think I need it. So New Holland, you nailed this one. I want my bales tight. I'm the least amount of bales to pick up if possible. I want tight, solid bales. I don't want them squishing. I don't want any of that. Checking is that auger is hitting that piece of steel. I don't know if that auger is not adjusted right. That's it. Well, our demo time for this is up, so we're gonna hop the old wrinkly one and finish baling for the day. I am very impressed with this baler. That thing will huck out some hay. It was nice, but it's a lot of money. They ain't cheap. So we'll see where we're at price-wise. Going back and forth on it all day, but it is a very impressive baler. That I didn't slug it once today. I had zero problems with the net wrap, and I put some hefty windrows through that thing in that field up in Michigan. I mean, like, they wouldn't fit underneath the tractor. A lot of them would catch underneath the tractor and then ball up, but then that baler would still take it even after it balled up underneath the tractor, no problem. So if you're thinking about one of these, it is impressive. And the monitor's simple to use. I mean, it took me about 2 minutes to figure it out. Simple to install. Just plugs into a 3-prong power that almost every tractor has, and then mounts down there. I take a bolt out of the SMV sign and put it through. That's how I do it on all of them. And then this mounts just like my other round bale monitor. It's just a SMV sign, and that just pops in there. Well, it won't right now because it's, yeah, just like that. Easy. And that is secure on there. It never moved. I didn't film any of that last field because it was too rough to try filming, but I took all of it, made a pretty good amount of hay over there, and we're done for the day. Well, done with this baler for the day. I might go bale at the Bison ranch now, and we'll see how that goes. It's getting kind of late, so we'll see how much I get baled over there. On to that one. I'm baling at the Bison ranch now. It's a pretty area. But man, since I replaced all the chains, that baler runs so much quieter. I can't believe it. That's amazing. And we're huffing right along with this one as well. Moisture's good. But yeah, this thing is doing a much better job with the new chains on it. Jeez, oh, it's rough. Where the Bison walk all the time, it's rough. We got that over there to do, way over there, down in that low ground. We'll be busy here. Bailing away, the old one. Hey everybody. Well, it's about a week later after we bailed, and I haven't had time to do anything with this, but it is a fantastic baler. But ultimately I decided not to purchase it right now. Just, they're not cheap, but I think maybe next year I probably will get one. I just can't swing it right now. But it is a fantastic baler. I was very, very happy with it. We were taking windrows in about 8 miles an hour, and up in Michigan, those were some solid windrows. I mean, we got 70 bales off of 12 acres up there, and I double windrow raked all that, and this thing took it in no problem. I just got it cleaned up. I blew all the hay off of it. That took me about 2 hours, and just rinsed off the sheet metal there. But we're gonna get it unhitched here, and I think Dad is gonna take it back up to burnups. There, she's packaged up, ready to go. The yellow is starting to grow on me. I wasn't sure about it, but the red sides and the yellow frame, it's starting to grow on me. Kind of like it. Really makes it stand out more. So if you got any questions, I worked with Riley. I've done quite a bit of business with him up at Burnups in Hudson, Michigan. They're a fantastic dealer to work with for parts or sales or service. I've worked with quite a few New Holland dealers, and they've been fantastic. But that's going to be the end of this one. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.